Hello everybody, welcome to my channel of investment and income. I hope you have seen my earlier videos. If not, I would once again suggest that you look into the introductory videos first so you get to understand the base of what we are going to discuss in all other live videos when we take live examples. Now today, as per some queries, I am going to take up a stock called alkyl amines. Some people also refer this as alkali amines, but the right word is alkyl amines. Amines are chemical organic compounds derived from inorganic compound, that is ammonia. Now the product that is made are specialty chemicals. These amines find usage in pharmaceuticals, API, that is activated pharmaceutical ingredients, agrochemicals, rubber chemicals, etc. Alkyl Amine is a well established company in India and it has a lot of exports also from India. But like all industries, all companies or in India also face a lot of competition from China. With the conflict in China, India-China conflict and subsequent anti-dumping duties, Indian pharma companies have started buying more from the Indian companies. In this way, this company Alkyl Amines is benefited a lot. Its exports orders has also increased tremendously. I will not go in, these are the basic fundamentals of the company. I will not go into the financial ratios as our subject always will be looking at the price movements, price actions and what the prices suggest. So I will first start this journey. Recently all examples are taken from the March low because we need to find a substantial downward journey or upward journey getting over. So from January, February 2020 top, the fall in the March was the severest for all sectors, all industry. So here I will show you here. This is the March low. I am purposefully taking it very slowly so you can observe this where the bottom was made. Now this bottom was practically at 1,000 rupees level. But by the time we understand the prices were moving up and down, so let us take a base of 1100 rupees. Doesn't make a difference when you see a big rise what it is. Now I will expand this for you. I will slowly show you this portion where the bottom was made. Right, so we have taken an example. It was though 1050 level, we are taking it as an 1100 1100 rupees as an example. I will zoom out. Now once again you see this journey. We will break up all the price its movements, but here you see this journey going up. I am taking it slowly so we can observe. It has gone up to 5600, but we will let us take just 5000 as a base as the price is today. Once again, see this is the bottom. This is how in this 9 months the price has moved this way, right? Now what do we see, what do we read, what do we judge? When the prices was in this area also, that is the 2500 2600 level, then subsequently when it went up to 3500 level, all these prices also at that time we felt it is really overbought, it will go for a correction, but it never went for a severe corrections. You have to observe one thing, when the script is in a bull run, the corrections are very small, which we can see here, and the rises are very high. That is one of the significant example or a reading we have to undertake when a particular stock is in a bull run. Now let us take an example of this August high. After that there was a correction, so we can assume this that this was a pretty important high, and we have seen this bottom. Now if you see my introductory videos, there is one introductory video that is called retracement. Now retracement levels are the heart and soul of all price movements. Whatever happens from the bottom, how much can a stock rise, or if it is falling down, how much can it fall. The rises and the falls are always in a mathematical ratio. There is a science behind it, and there is a semblance behind it. We will now start looking at those things from today. So I am taking this bottom and I have to select a particular tool called Fibonacci oscillator. Sorry, it is called Fibonacci retracement level. So I will consider this as a bottom of this retracement. I will go, this is automatic, and this is a significant high. Now this is the significant low. It corrected in the month of August, September. Now this low, you can see this 0.382 line means 38.2%. The 38.2% is a very important level always to check when you are checking the fall, whether it is resting at 38.2 or not. 38.2 always will become significant. You might not understand in the first example today, but as our journey goes ahead, as you keep watching my videos, you will understand the importance of this particular ratio, and especially 38.2. Okay, so to make the matter short, I am showing you this line. Once the script started correcting this way, it did not even correct to 38.2. It means it is showing a lot of bullishness. Once again it started going up and it went above. Once again it started going up, and if you have seen all my introduction videos, there is one introductory video called swing high, swing low. That is also one of the basis for viewing the stock prices. Now once it has gone above this high, that means it has gone above the nearest swing high. That was the free swing, this was the high. This is another bullish sign. So what we have observed, I will show you once again. I will remove this. What we have observed, from the bottom it went on straight. Here from the bottom it went on straight till this level. From this level it started reacting as a correction out here. Okay, now we saw the price is moving above its nearest high. That automatically becomes a resistance line. So we continue seeing this as a bullish sign, and we hold. If people are watching this and they were waiting for an entry, then this was the price. Even after so much movement, even this was the price to enter. Now as you know, if you see my introductory video of support and resistance, this high was a resistance. So after rising, when the script came down, it practically took a support at this line. Just see, a few rupees here and there always makes a difference, doesn't make much of a difference. So the supports become resistance, the resistance line always becomes support. Now after this, once again the script rose so vertically here. Now some people call this script as Amitabh Bachchan of the stocks, because it rose the fastest and it rose highest, and is still showing a lot of bullishness. Now the question is, and what the query is, now what do we do? So I will expand this part. Now we are coming here exactly. I'll show you with the circle to this portion. I have said earlier, the rises are longer, the falls are shorter. So now this particular low was a significant low of all this portion, right? and this particular high is high. So we have these two comparative points. We will see once again through the Fibonacci ratio, Fibonacci retracement ratio. I will join this low. Just see this. I will join this high. What has the script come to? 38.2. The prices are gone below this. This is the first retracement where in the last journey. So what is the last journey? This is the last. I am taking this slowly. This is the recent journey. So we have to take only this part right now. The 38.2 is important. It is the prices have gone below 38.2, but the closing price has not conveniently given a close below 38.2. Now for people who say no, even after such a rise I want to buy, then you have to buy with the stop loss of this low 4690. This is what the theory states. 4690 is the nearest low that has to be kept stop loss. If the price goes below that, and if you are buying now, you are supposed to exit that stock. This is what the teaching says. For those people who have bought it much earlier, even before the March fall or during the March, and as you have seen, this is a very good industry, very good company, the prices are rising, they have to keep mum, not to worry. For them, the worry will start below the fall of 3473. But it is a long call now to take. What will happen, we can only judge a few days from now. So this is the buy. In case you are prepared to buy in this overbought condition also, stop loss is 4690. Long term investors hold it. Most probably it will make one more high. By that time, if things are not understood, if there are more queries, I will once again try and educate the people as to what to do in such situations. Please refer this video once again, twice if necessary. You will get a clarity, and also refer to my introductory videos. So whenever we talk about a subject, all the base are covered in those introductory videos. Hope you enjoyed this. See you after a few days. Thank you.